Hi, welcome back to Maruf Hasan Photography, and today I will talk about how to create photography logo on Photoshop. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more update. And if you want to connect it with me, you can follow me on Instagram and also Facebook, and you can visit our website, link in the description below, and also Facebook page, visit our Facebook page for more update. So open the Photoshop. I use Photoshop 2017 for this tutorial. So first we take a new page. That's why go to the new and take a new page, pixels. You can need any type of resolution because of we save this file as a PNG or use any photos. Okay, so I click OK. First we take a new layer for text. So we type our logo name. First we type pic. Okay, and then take a new layer and go to the text and type photography. Okay, type photography. Okay, we type this and now decrease the photography text size 10 and go to the pic layer and increase the pic text size as 24, around 24. Now we convert to this pic text as a signature. That's why go to the text and select it and go to the front and we select the brush script standard. Okay, this is perfect for this logo. And now we select the P and increase this P size. Okay, I think it's more big. 30 is perfect. Okay, and now decrease the photography text size. That's why select this, and for select this press Ctrl+T. This is perfect. And now go to the pic and I think the IC text size want to decrease. Okay, I think that this is perfect, but I want to more attractive this logo. So go to the text tool and we type 2 dot here. Okay, and again go to the photography tool and select the brush tool and make sure the brush tool is the second option of this. Select this, decrease its size, and now try to draw some like this. Sorry, I want to zoom it. Draw some like this, and now we customize it, and that's why go to the eraser tool and again make sure the second option is selected and brush tool size is around 62, 90, and then simply use erase it, simply erase it. Okay, and now we customize it and we select it, type Ctrl and 3. Okay, now decrease this size, this shape size. Now it's okay, and we decrease that size, and some rotate this. Okay, and now we set up pic text. I think it's looking good. Okay, and to decrease the photography text size. Okay, and again decrease the shape size. Okay, and we need to decrease the pic text size, like around of like this. Okay, this is okay. Our logo is ready for the, and now we need to save it. That's why remove the background layer, and now go to save as and select PNG and select your location. And now select it, and I hope you like this video, and if you like this video you can share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe this channel for more update about photography related tutorial, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.